What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Happy Sunday, NFL Sunday. I'm currently in first place in my fantasy football league for anyone that plays fantasy. Anyways, we're going to go over Gala games. Currently sitting at 0.01469. Up 3.6 on the day. See market cap 359 million. 24 hour on 38 million. Let's hop into the chart. So we're seeing a beautiful impulse. It looks like we're going to put in a wave 5. Previously, I talked about if we break deeper that this impulse may already be finished, but you can see we bounced almost off to 50%, which is normal for a wave 4, bouncing off to 38.2. So if we break this high, that would confirm a wave 5. If we fail to break it, then it's A, B, C. So A, fail to break the high, that's a wave B. You come down to wave C, meaning the impulse is finished. We are looking to take a trade soon. Currently, we're in trades for Bitcoin, Matic, and Ethereum. All signals are given in the Discord. It's only $10 a month. And we will give a signal for Gala amongst other coins when the time is right. So what I'm looking for is to create that wave 5. Once we do that, we see a larger pullback. And that's when we may enter our trade. Now, of course, anything can happen. We can explode to the upside. So if that does take place and we adjust the wave count accordingly. We've been watching this falling wedge pattern on the daily chart. Once it starts to break, that will be another signal. We're starting to push above the 20 EMA. As you can see, we're sitting above the 20 EMA on the daily. So if we start to break that falling wedge, we could definitely start to see a decent sized impulse to the upside. And of course, the signal will be given when we enter our trade. So we'll look for a wave 5. I'll give you a target. With the fib extension from the bottom of wave 2 to the top of wave 3 to the bottom of wave 4, and you would target the 618 for the wave 5, which is coming in at 0.0518, and that's where we could potentially see a rejection and pull back in that larger wave 2 pullback and potentially give us a trade opportunity. As I mentioned, we're in trades for Bitcoin, Matic, Ethereum, and we'll have upcoming trades for other altcoins. It's $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon. Make sure to sign up to BTCC. This is where I'm doing my trading. No KYC, no VPN. For all my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange, my subscribers only get a 20% bonus. When you deposit into your futures account, you deposit $100, $20 free to trade, $1,000, $200 free to trade. Completely free money. As I mentioned, my signals are $10 a month for daily analysis for many coins. My exact trade setups. We're currently in 3 trades. Crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, as well as Forex signals and Forex analysis. We're trading crypto, we're trading Forex for the same price as a Big Mac meal. You really can't beat it, guys. All links are in the comments. Don't eat a Big Mac because it's bad for your health. Sign up to the Discord and make sure to check out BitConnect. Check out my full length tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.